makin berani. Ya bro, masuk.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Nice to meet you. Yeah, Indonesia is a big country, very beautiful, and has tons of charm there. Watching this video now.
We offer the most beautiful locations in the world, which are located in the eastern part of Indonesia. The place is called Green Canyon. Breathing fresh air, hearing the splashing of water, and basking in the warm sunshine is one way to spend time off in the midst of a busy life. Spending time outdoors can bring so much pleasure, making us feel refreshed. Did moms and dads know that going outside and getting enough sunlight can help boost the immune system? One way to go out into nature is to visit an open-air natural attraction. Natural attractions are currently in great demand by various groups. This is because many people want to unwind while spending the quarantine period, or get rid of stress due to work, college, and so on. In the midst of the density of activity and the hustle and bustle of the world of work, moms and dads need to take the time to go out to reduce stress. Even if you only go outside for 5 minutes each day, you will still reap the benefits. Meanwhile, research from the cognitive benefits of interacting with nature reveals, those who regularly go for walks in nature have a strong memory. These benefits are certainly impressive for an activity that is free. In the midst of a pandemic like now, it is important to boost the immune system or immunity, so that the body can fight viruses that can come from anywhere. To increase immunity, you and your family can visit a tourist attraction that is not so far from the capital city. One of the natural tourist objects in Pangandaran, West Java, is the Green Canyon. This area with a porous karst or limestone ecosystem has biodiversity and ecosystem richness that has not been fully disclosed. One feature that really stands out from Green Canyon is that it has many caves from natural formation processes with unique views. In addition, Green Canyon also has waters that are still very clear, turquoise in color that spoils the eye. Pangandaran itself is one of the districts in West Java which has many karst areas in the southern zone of Java. Not only the Green Canyon, Pangandaran has many other tourist attractions that are often visited by foreign and local tourists. Located on a peninsula on the south coast of West Java about 91 kilometers from Chamas, Pangandaran has black and white sand beaches. Because Pangandaran's position is located on a peninsular headland, this makes Pangandaran the right location to enjoy the sunrise and sunset in a day. Moms and dads just need to find the most appropriate position to pick up and deliver the glowing sun. For moms who want to visit Pangandaran from Jakarta, moms can use private vehicles. The travel time is around 6 to 8 hours, via the Bandung Tasikmalaya Banjar Pangandaran route. As a rule, many travelers make this long journey at night. They depart from Jakarta at 21:00 and arrive at Pangandaran beach early to be able to see the sunrise on the beach. So, from Yogyakarta, moms and dads can use the bus for Yogyakarta, Cilacap, Kalapukang, Pangandaran. There is also public transportation by air from Jakarta with a flight route from Halim Perdana Kusuma Airport to Pangandaran Nusawiru. However, there is only one flight per day for this route, So, when you arrive in Pangandaran, you can use public transportation to get to the Green Canyon location. Take a minibus from Pangandaran Terminal and get off at Sijulang Terminal. Furthermore, Moms and their families can use motorcycle taxi bases that moms can look for around the terminal. We are waiting for your arrival. So, welcome to our country, Indonesia.